Yo, what's up everyone? We are back on live now. Really appreciate y'all tuning in to the live stream. So yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all gotta do your research. So yes, please do your research before tuning in. So give me one moment. I gotta look at these. Hopefully it looks well. I'm not too sure yet. So I'm gonna be looking at it from my other little screen. So give me one moment as we set up for today. All right, let's see here. We should. All right, yeah, we should be on. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're on. We're on. Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, so I'm going to send some notifications inside the Discord to let them know that we are on live, and then let's see here. We got some more plays to look at. Yo, Cash, thanks for liking the live stream, bro. Appreciate it. All right, one second. All right, let me take a look here. Copy. Oh no. All right, hold on one second here. All right, we're good. Yo, thanks for liking the live stream, appreciate it. I'm gonna leave this up too, so give me a moment here. I'm gonna leave this probably around here. All right, so hopefully you can see me. I do want to go over today what ended up happening, and then also what I will be looking at for the end of the day. So let's take a look here. All right, IWM, we're going to go over this. We're going to go over Tesla. So we had some decent plays on this one for today. What I seen here. Yo, Crazy Cat Lady, what's up? Appreciate you all tuning in, by the way. All right, so for Tesla, this was this little play here. We had empty space above us, which we touched that first and final. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. For tomorrow, if we do end up dropping here, I want to see, hold on, what else do we got? Nice top bottom all here, and then if we break under that box, we got a lot of empty space, which is down to that 390. So yeah, that's what I would like to see there, which looks good. I'm gonna clear that out. All right, there we go. So yeah, there's that move to this downside that I would like to target into if we can get it, which doesn't look too bad. Yo, Matty Ice, what's up, bro? Long time no see, man. Long time no see. Good to see you, bro. All right, so let's see here. So yeah, that's that under that 396. And for today, I got some nice little moves that I've been waiting for. End of day, do IWM. So yeah, we got IWM pulled up. We're gonna pull up KLAR. Oh wow, there might be something there. All right, so IWM, we actually had a beautiful little play on this a little bit earlier. Let's go over. Hold on, I'm gonna put this up here. All right, so we got a box. And then I kind of want to see us breaking through this consolidation. So that's at that 253. If we can get above there, we do got a nice pocket. Personally, I'll probably try it up to that 256. So this is for tomorrow. We might end up gapping up or down. I personally don't want to swing it. I kind of want to play it during the day. So that's there. Also, for tomorrow, we do also got empty space below us. So may have to tweak these charts up a bit. We'll have to see though. Yo, Chris, what's up? The consolidation, dude, I know, man. So we had a beautiful 4 entry. We went up into almost this empty space, which we got there, but we just could not commit there. Let's see. So yeah, that's what I see on IWM. I'm gonna let it play out, honestly. Just how I like to play out all my plays. Literally same thing here. That's there. All right. KLAR. Hold on, let me see here. Dang, my guy. I think we might have went on a 4-hour here. The only thing is, there is more. I'll be honest, there is more here. Hold on. I need my other pen here. All right, give me a second. I'm sorry. I dropped my keys. It's all good. I don't care. I dropped my keys. All right, let me see here. Yeah, I did miss this move. If I took this, it would be more of like a lotto here, just because we do have the empty space, but it's just close to that first CP, which is at 1718, and then 1892. Yeah, so it looks like, I'm not going to say this one is over, but with a play like this, a lot of times getting close to that TP could cause for a reversal, but I still like it. It still looks good. There were a few other ones that I was looking at, which was Neo. So this one isn't ready yet. So same thing, just like all these plays from today. Clear gap down, no consolidation. We did end up getting above our wall, but we didn't get a close. So I'm thinking next few days, if we do end up getting a nice continuation, we'll see. Use an EA and relax and wake up with the... Nah, man. I can't do that. I can't do it. The only reason is I only use a POTTERBOX with empty space. So like even like just today, you can see I posted all these same trades, Qs. IWM did pretty well. You can see Tesla, literally same exact trades. You can see what a few other members did on that little position there, but yeah, pretty decent day. But yeah, I just target the empty space. Obviously might have a little entry at a floor, but yeah, that's it. And yeah, they've been in there for like what, 7 hours. They've been there all day. All right, let me see. MDB and IRN. Yo, Julius, what's up? All right, let me see. I already got like a few that I'm already looking at towards the end of the day. Let me see here. IRN and then MDB. All right, cool. I do want to look at, I think it was RDDT, Reddit, and it was HOD. All right, let me change this song. So it's a terrible song, just a random playlist, but let me see here. Reddit, IRN. You know what? This actually doesn't look too bad. So I do see the empty space here. It doesn't look terrible. Might have to tweak this box up just a bit here. There we go. So I did see that we got a clear gap down, no consolidation. Yo, appreciate the gifts, really appreciate it. So I can't say anything crazy on this stream, so please do your own research, not financial advice, all right? So yeah, nice little pocket. Hopefully we get up to that 55.05. So looks like we reclaimed this floor here. But yeah, I would like to see if we can get that continuation to go into that empty space here. So looks good. Also, how are you guys liking this new setup? Is it cool? Should I stream like this now? Yo, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. And yeah, you can see what we do every day in the Discord. I can't go over it too much, but you can scroll through and see the type of plays, trades we get into. Today, yesterday, same exact charts. IWM. So yeah, pretty nice little place. If you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. Free chat is there. VIP chat too, but yeah, free chat is there. All right, RN looks good. Yo, Francisco, what's up? All right, cool. Sounds good, man. I'm gonna start probably streaming like this a little bit more. I had to fix my setup, bro. All right, so REN looks good. HOD, man, I have this one. I got it set, so this one's been on my mind for a long time. So basically every day what we look for is this empty space here. What I basically see is this clear gap down, no consolidation. We're not there yet, so what I want to see, hopefully by the next couple days, maybe even next week, if we can break above this 86, 66 level. Hopefully we can see up to this 104. So actually looks good, looks decent. Hopefully we do get a nice little move to the upside. Like seeing you. Okay, cool, perfect. Yeah, the phone was getting like, it was like too much, so I wanted to do something a little different. All right, Reddit. Oh shoot. All right, so yeah, we got some empty space here. Yo, JC, thanks for the follow, appreciate it. So yeah, we got a nice move here. So it's literally like all of our moves every single day inside the Discord. We got the empty space here. So clear gap up, no consolidation. But the only thing is, and yes, this is more of a range. So hopefully we break outside of that 131, so we could hit that empty space, which looks good. So right now, if the trade is in consolidation, if we're just chopping back and forth, I don't want to take the trade. I kind of want to just wait. If we break outside of consolidation, then I would look for that empty space. So we found that today. All right, so there's a couple good ones. Lulu. Let's take a look here. MDB. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, this looks good too. It doesn't look like we're ready yet, but is this SPY? No, this is not SPY. We can definitely go for SPY though. I got you, bro. So yeah, SPY ended up giving a nice little decent move too, which we will be going over. Damn, that looks good though. Let me see. Shoot. If you heard that loud slam, my bad. That was just me day guy. So you can blame him. All right, yeah, it looks good. It's just not ready yet, at least for me. So, obviously we got a nice POTTERBOX above us. So we got empty space, which looks, you know, absolutely amazing. Hopefully we do get a break above. As of right now, we're just not anywhere near this. So empty space, that's exactly what I would want to see. And right now we haven't gotten there yet. So same thing, just like this morning. If you're new, if you know, just got watching us or whatever, clear gap down. You can see we're in consolidation. Same thing, in consolidation. All the plays look alike. Hopefully we break outside, get that close, and then empty space move. So looks good, but it's just not ready yet. Yo, Anna, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Milo, what's up, bro? Thanks for sharing the stream. And yeah, if anyone has any questions, you can DM Milo. So he's my assistant. He'll be able to help you out with whatever. All right, let's see. Lulu. You know what? All right, so it doesn't look terrible though. I'll be honest, it doesn't look too bad. Can I check SPX? So, yeah, we got to go for SPY and SPX. I got you. So right after this one, we can definitely go over it. This is what I can see. So it doesn't look like we're ready yet, but we scroll over. You can easily see. So yes, I'm still going to count this as empty space. Still like that move down to that 141. Obviously, if you can see, we got another box here. And then we break below that 119. So Literally, this is all that I do every single day. You may ask, when are you going to get in? Whenever we're out in that empty space. So it looks good. So that's there. Obviously, under that 159, there's another move to this downside, which looks crazy. So that's if that wants to happen, of course. Alright, cool. Alright, so yeah, that's on Lulu. Now let's take a look at SPY. You guys want to see SPX? SPX. Alright, 1 second here. Alright, let's see here. So yeah, actually, let's do SPY first. Car retesting. Also setting up not just... Oh, the spreads are bad. Okay, okay. We can take a look at... I'll actually pull it up too. Dude, I hate when we have like the perfect play. Like the contracts just look terrible, but we have like the perfect setup. The empty space is there. And then I go and look at the contracts and I'm like, oh man, I do not ever want to take that. So... yeah, I understand your pain, bro. Alright, so 2 hour chart looks good. I kind of want to see if we could go to 1 hour. Hold on. So, about this, we got a box. For tomorrow, may have to tweak this up a bit. Definitely trim that 671. Once you down to that 668. So we do got a pocket here, which does look pretty good. But as you can see, we kind of like for the rest of the day, we kind of just stayed in this chop here. So we did absolutely nothing. We chopped out contracts. This is something I don't want to touch until we can break outside of consolidation. And I probably will take it up to that 681 or 682 area. So. Both ways it looks good, but you can see how this POTTERBOX works. We, you know, break from the top, we go to the bottom, we go to the bottom, we go to the top. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that is on SPY. We break below though. We got the empty space, so doesn't look too bad. Yo, nobody, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Thanks for pulling up to the stream. So I finally, I think I got my stream the way I want it. So. Hopefully, we can stay on. So, I'm pretty excited. So, I'll be streaming a lot more. Maybe tomorrow I'll stay on stream, and then when market opens, we'll try to find some trades together, too. I think that would be, like, really cool. Alright, hold on. Give me 1 second here. Alright, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Gonna give you some water, all that good stuff. One moment here, guys and gals. I'll be right back. If you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. If you don't, no worries. Just please do your own research. If you have any requests, you can drop those in the comments as well. So, yeah, no worries. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. Let's see here, man. Ask you to look at a stock and... Yeah, no worries. You can definitely ask me any questions. You can drop those in the comments. Hold on, let me see here. Can you look at gold? Gold, yep, I got you, bro. We can definitely take a look there as well. So yeah, if you have any requests, go ahead and drop those in the comments. We'll go over a lot of these, and then yeah, we're gonna see what else we got. Hold on. So SPY, we just did that. We'll do GLD. So I think we should go to like a higher time frame. Do you think we'll hit for which one? All right, so I think I should go to this 1 hour chart, which looks good. So of course, obviously we got a lot of empty space here. Which looks good there. I do see that we got another pocket here. So right above this top level. It's a nice top wall here, bottom wall there. So above that 477, there is a nice move up to this 480. So, but honestly, I probably won't take any more day trades today. I'm done. I'll probably just hit a nice little swing or whatever end of day. But that's what I could see there, which doesn't look too bad. On SPY, okay, cool. Can we look at APM? All right, cool. Yeah, I got you, bro. APM, SPY. All right, let's see. Oh, we didn't do SPX, did we? APM. Let's see here. Tomorrow for SPY. 670. I don't know. I am favoring the downside. I'll be honest, but I probably won't swing it until we can until I can see some better price action on this. So that'll be probably for tomorrow. I don't want to swing it right now. Yo, Qwerty, what's up? What's up? Appreciate you tuning in. That's all you. All right, so SPX, same thing here. We're gonna just go to a higher time frame and then go to a lower one because I don't see anything that I like on that higher time frame here. Yeah, I got it. We got it. All right, we got this box here. We got this empty space above us, below us. Hold on, I gotta... Free. So yeah, as of right now, we're in this box here. So what I did to this upside and downside, we had literally empty space. So clear gap down here, and then also of no consolidation, clear gap up here. So this is something that I would like to target into. So under that 752 range, I would like to see down to that 713. We're having trouble getting down there, but if we can get a nice close, want to see that downside. And then upside, of course, above that 6792. We got a nice move to the 845, so it doesn't look too bad. Right now, I feel like we're just in that consolidation where I just do not want to be in. So that's just my standpoint with things, and that is on there. IWM, yo, Michael, what's up? Yep, IWM, Hims. Bro, Hims actually went crazy too, I think. What else we got to do? Netflix. All right, one second here. All right, my bad. So yeah, I do a lot of typing and writing stuff down like pretty much every day. But anyways, so On Netflix, yeah, we did not want to finish this empty space move, so we actually broke above, but we went back into this box under that 97.27. But I will be honest, there's a lot of empty space below us. Actually, you know what? That actually doesn't look too bad. That actually looks really good. So, unless if we get back above that 97.27, I want to see that full move to this upside there. But we do got this nice move here. That is right under us down to this 91.51 range. And if we can break there, we got a nice little pocket to this downside, which doesn't look too bad. Alright, so yeah, that's what I can see, which looks good. We got the empty space, not too bad there. Yo, John, what's up? Free signals linked. Oh boy, I don't know, man. I think I seen you this morning, bro. Alright, so yeah, that's on Netflix. So we got that nice clean gap up. So that actually looks really good. That looks really, really good. Not too bad there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yo, thanks for the follow, appreciate it. And yes, if you are new to the streams, I will be streaming like this more. I gotta actually screenshot this so my setup isn't messed up. But, and then yes, every single day I will be on live. So an hour before market opens, and then I'll be in the Discord, or either tomorrow I'll be on the stream when market opens too. Alright, so what else do we got? I got a couple more ones. I'm just gonna leap to it. I don't really care. So I got some good ones. I got some decent ones. Let me see. They're in my notes right now. So HD. All right, hold on. I gotta see a couple of these. All right, so. All right, on the video here. It's something that I'll be looking out for. Honestly, I want this end of day. I want like this full entry end of day, and the reason why I'm saying that is because we got a nice little move to this upside. So, see, clear gap down, no consolidation. What I would like to see is a break outside of this wall here, so we can go into this nice little play here. So, above that 186, I might have to swing it up a bit. So we'll tweak this up here. So yeah, that's what I'll be aiming for. So, literally the same plays, just like today. You can see clear gap down. In the video, this is just like a bigger gap, so it might take a little bit more time. But eventually want to see that nice little gap fill. If we can break outside of consolidation, have a beautiful close, and then same thing, empty space, POTTERBOX is there. See what a few members did just today. Shout out to Fabby, shout out to all the ladies there. Well, Russ isn't a lady, but shout out Russ too, though. All right, so yeah, that's there. 8 p.m. I'm actually gonna leave that one up. 8 p.m. Yeah, I don't know about this right now. Hold on. Give me a chance. Give me a second. Hold on. All right, the weekly chart looks good. I'll say that. So the weekly chart actually looks really decent. We do have this empty space that is clearly above us here. Clear gap down, no consolidation. Empty space there. The only thing I don't like about this is we don't have structure. So next couple weeks, I kind of want to build a nice top and bottom wall. Looks like we built a bottom wall. Hopefully we built like a top wall. So I just don't like the structure, but there is empty space up to that 129. So personally, I won't be touching it, but hopefully we end up building a nice Potter box and then somehow, some way, going back up into this empty space. Wrong chart. Let me see which one. So hold on. Am I lying? Oh, it's this one? It's this one, right? Okay, cool. All right, wrong chart, guys. Honestly, I don't really see anything that I like here either. Yes, there's this little gap here. Still in a little bit of consolidation, honestly. Let me see here. Hold on. So APM car. Hold on. All right, let me see. Let's see. All right. All right, I'll do it. All right, I'll do it. Zillow thoughts. Yo, Glock, I'm sorry, man. I had to, bro. Man. Bro. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Glock. Here's something that doesn't look too bad. Hold on, I gotta tweak this up just a little bit here. So yeah, there is that empty space that doesn't look too bad here. We got that nice little clear gap down. Break above this box. Hopefully we stay above. There's that empty space to this 9682. So that's something that I do like there. All right. So Zillow is just Z. Let me see here. Let's see here. Hour chart, 24-hour. All right, so this is going to be, let me see if it lines up here. Okay, it lines up perfectly. All right, 4-hour lines up perfectly. Yeah, it doesn't look as strong. So it does look like it may end up retesting that 80.08. If I do end up trying it, it has to be like a lotto. It can't be like nothing like wild that I'll, try on. But yeah, I do see it probably retesting that 80.08 area. So if we dip back in that box, everyone knows this by now, might end up seeing there. So you got to be careful. If I end up trying that, it'll be like a lotto. So I'm not going to mess myself up there. Yo, Sky Guy, what's up, man? Dude, long time no see, bro. Hope you're doing well, man. So yeah, we got that empty space here. Oh! Sorry, my phone keeps buzzing. Alright, cool. Alright, so yeah, this is what I like here. I mean, it looks good. It looks decent. We're just in consolidation, so hopefully we break outside of that consolidation for sure. Dude, all good, man. I'm just glad to see you're all good and striving, bro. So, welcome back to the stream. Nothing has changed except for, the live trading chat, but that's that. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning in to the stream. I will be getting off now. I have a lot of typing to do. So if you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. Free chat, VIP chat. If you don't want to join, no worries. I will still be on. I'll still be in the Discord, and then tomorrow morning I'll be on the live stream. So make sure to either tune in or not. So yes, have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much for tuning in. See you all soon.